Bueno, hoy les vamos a mostrar este parque que tanto amamos con Noé, ¿no es cierto? Es nuestro preferido.
Sí, me encanta.
Sí. Les dejamos una música, Noé, y que disfruten de este domingo, de este paseíto con nosotros.
Exactamente.
Hey mama, could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room. Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Morning star, clear and true. Your honesty could pierce my heart right through. Plans are paper, I'm afraid. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Hey Pepper, give us a shake in the newborn grass. You're sure to find a snake. Don't let the serpent change your pace. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. There's a dream weaver that won't let me alone, and it turns my heart into a heavy stone. Look at the maker in the face. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving.